We're now to the point that we need to get this file here posted to the machine. Every machine takes a different NC code or numeric code to run. So we have to get this to the right machine and the right information. So we're going to hit close over here on the preview toolpaths. You save this all up as a regular V-Carve file, and now we're going to go NC file. Oop, my toolpath closed down, so I go right there. And there's my toolpath that I want to save. So I'm going to hit the check mark. You guys did your preview to make sure it was going to work, make sure it wasn't going to cut too deep. You should only see it cut an 1/8 inch deep here and be ready to go. Then on here, if there's anything you do change in here, then you want to make sure to recalculate the toolpath. Otherwise, you just click on your toolpath, and we're going to hit Save Toolpath. In the Save Toolpath here, we're going to have some options for the post processors. We want to go to an Axiom HHC CNC. And we're going to hit Save Toolpath. And again, you want to find your login. Over here, it's going to have your login name on it, and then you can save it into there. What I want you to save it as is give it a good name. So it's going to go into a folder with everybody else's. So if you save it as right door or left door, we're going to have issues. So I'm going to give it a good name. I'm going to go Mr. Hahn, left door. And we got it in there, so I'm going to hit save. Okay, now it comes to turning it into me so that we get it onto a file. So we need to get it into, go into Schoology, Dropbox for CNC router files. Hit the little pop out. And it says Tim Hahn is requesting these files. That's what you want. Choose from computer. I'm going to go into that spot and I can see that file. It's a .mmg and hit open. So right now it says you're signed in. It may ask you for your information so that we can keep that information safe. And it says done now. And thanks, you're all done. You've submitted your file for CNC routing.